The recently launched Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is making waves in the smartphone world, emerging as a powerful force with its sturdy 5,000 mAh battery. It's an impressive device that, surprisingly, doesn't come with a charger. Now, the question is, what's the best option for charging this massive battery? In today's video, we've got you covered with a detailed guide on the top 5 super-fast chargers specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's get started. First, we have the Spigen ArcStation Pro GaN 452, a powerful charger with 2 USB-C ports. It can charge your devices at a fast speed, up to 45 watts. Even when charging 2 devices at once, it can provide 20 watts and 25 watts outputs for your tablets and phones. The best part is that it's smaller than other chargers because of the GaN technology and 3D PCB design. The GaN chip also makes it operate more efficiently, producing less heat. Unlike some chargers, this one won't harm your devices, thanks to the GaN chip and safety features. In the package, you get the Spigen PowerArc 452 GaN dual USB-C wall charger, a welcome guide, a 24-month warranty, and friendly customer service. Keep in mind, it supports super-fast charging for S24, S23 Ultra, but not the 45W super-fast charging 2.0. Next on our list, meet the Anker 313 Ace 45W charger, tailor-made for Samsung devices with its lightning-fast charging using super-fast charging 2.0. Charge your Galaxy S24 Ultra to full capacity in under 60 minutes, ensuring you're always ready to roll. Please remember, you'll need a 5A charging cable for super-fast charging 2.0, and it's not included. Safety is a top priority for this charger with 10 safeguards, including short-circuit protection and temperature control. Despite being 30% smaller than a standard 45 watts USB-C charger, the Anker 313 doesn't compromise on power, thanks to its innovative GaN technology that enhances energy efficiency and heat dissipation. The foldable design adds portability for your on-the-go lifestyle. Your all-inclusive package includes the Anker 313 charger, a welcome guide, an 18-month worry-free warranty, and dedicated customer service. Just a heads up, the charging cable is not included, so make sure you've got a 5A one handy for the optimal charging experience. The next charger on our list is the smallest one so far, the Yoocas 45 watts dual-port fast-wall charger. With its mini size and foldable plug, it's not only fast but also highly portable, featuring a unique style design that's anti-slip and anti-scratch. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports, this charger supports blind mating and automatic power distribution, making it ideal for travel, office use, school, library, or simply at home. Yoocas uses smart GaN technology to keep your devices safe from overcharging, overdischarging, and overcurrent. Their charger is super small, 60% smaller than the original, but it works just as well in saving battery life. Plus, if you get the 45 watts USB-C charging block from Yoocas, you're covered with a 60-day refund, no questions asked, and a whole year of warranty. Even if it's been more than 30 days since you bought it, you can still reach out to their store for help. They really care about making customers happy. Then we have the UGREEN 45 watts USB-C charger. With a maximum of 45 watts in a single port, it supports Samsung super-fast charging 2.0, zipping your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from 0% to 100% in just an hour. Don't forget to use a 5A supported charging cable for the best results. With this, you can charge 2 devices at once, like your iPhone 14 and iPad Air. This versatile charger plays well with a variety of devices, from MacBook Air to Samsung S24 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro, and more. Safety is a priority with UGREEN's smart power dispenser system, adjusting power output to protect your device. It also has safety features to guard against overheating, overcharging, and overvoltage. Despite its power, this charger is tiny, about the size of an iPhone camera, and super light. Perfect for commuters and travelers, it works with standard voltage from 100 to 240 volts. Keep things simple and charge up effortlessly with the UGREEN 45 watts USB-C charger. The last charger on our list is the Anker Prime 100 watts USB-C charger, the ultimate solution for fast charging up to 3 devices simultaneously. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, effortlessly power up your phone, tablet, and notebook from a single charger. With a maximum output of 100 watts, you can experience rapid and efficient charging, whether you use both USB-C ports or a combination of USB-C and USB-A. Designed for convenience, this charger is ultra-compact, making it 43% smaller than the original 96-watt MacBook charger. It's the perfect companion for those on the go, and it makes sure you have exceptional power wherever you are. The Active Shield 2.0 safety system provides total protection during charging. In the package, you'll receive the Anker Prime 100-watt GaN wall charger with 3 ports, a welcome guide, a worry-free 24-month warranty, and friendly customer service. That wraps up our list of the top 5 super-fast chargers for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Which one caught your eye? If you already own one of these chargers or plan to get one, share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.